Hello guys, if you are getting an error unable to locate package VLC, at the place of VLC in your case it may be different. For at all, you are not capable to install any package in Kali or any Linux system, then this video is for you. Let's roll the intro. Our first command will be apt-get install VLC. Hit enter. Now it's showing error unable to locate package VLC. It is showing because our Kali repository is empty. We have to fill it. Now open new terminal and type leafpad /etc /apt /sources.list. Hit enter. This is our source list. We have to put these two links. So I just simply paste it. I already give these two link in description. Copy from there and paste it. Save it and we are done. Now run one more time our command apt-get install VLC. Hit enter. So it's working. Thanks for watching. I hope I just solved your mystery. Thank you.